Hey students, do you want to make extra money while still focusing on your studies? 2025 is packed with opportunities, and I'm about to reveal 10 side hustles that are perfect for students whether you're looking for flexible hours or ways to build skills for the future. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. Hi, and welcome to your channel name. Whether you're saving for college, trying to pay off debt, or just want to have extra cash for fun, side hustles are the way to go. Today, I'm sharing 10 amazing side hustles that students can easily start in 2025. They're flexible, fun, and some don't even need any upfront investment. Let's kick things off with virtual assistant jobs. Many businesses need help with tasks like email management, scheduling, or social media. As a student, you can offer these services remotely and earn anywhere from $10.25 an hour. Check websites like Upwork or Freelancer to find your first gig. If you're good at writing, this is a fantastic option. Companies are always looking for blog posts, product descriptions, and social media captions. Start small on platforms like Fiverr and gradually increase your rates as you build a portfolio. Got a creative side? Try selling handmade items like jewelry, candles, or art on platforms like Etsy. In 2025, buyers are craving unique, personalized products. Plus, crafting can be a relaxing way to earn. Love animals? Apps like Rover allow you to connect with pet owners who need sitters or walkers. It's flexible, fun, and pays well. Plus, spending time with pets is a great stress reliever for students. Dropshipping is perfect if you're into e-commerce but don't want to manage inventory. Use platforms like Shopify to create an online store and partner with suppliers to ship products directly to customers. It's low risk, but remember it does require some marketing know-how. If you're already spending hours on TikTok or Instagram, why not turn that into income? Create short, engaging content for small businesses or even build your own following and monetize through brand deals or affiliate marketing. Are you fluent in more than one language? Offer tutoring services online through websites like Italki or Preply. Language tutors can earn $15-30 an hour, and it's a skill that's always in demand. If you're passionate about a topic, start a YouTube channel or podcast. Whether it's gaming, study tips, or fashion, share your insights and grow an audience. Over time, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, or merch sales. There you have it, 10 incredible side hustles that are perfect for students in 2025. Remember, the best hustle is the one you're passionate about and can stick with. Start small, learn as you go, and you'll see results in no time. Which hustle are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.